Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to set up Slack notifications with FormConnect so you can receive form responses directly in your Slack channels. Open the Google form you want notifications for, click the add-on icon, select FormConnect, and click Start to launch the main view. In FormConnect, you'll see three main features. Click Slack notifications to begin setup. In the configuration box, enter the Slack Webhook URL and choose responder identification, like email or name. To get a new Slack Webhook URL, open a new tab, search for Slack API, and go to the official page. Click your apps in the top corner and select Create an App. Name your Slack app and select the workspace to send notifications. Go to Incoming Webhooks on the left, activate it, and click Add New Webhook to Workspace. Choose the Slack channel for notifications and grant permissions. Click Copy to save the URL. Go back to the FormConnect configuration box and paste the webhook URL. Click Save to complete setup. Now let's test it. I'll fill out and submit a form response, then check Slack for the new notification. There it is, a nicely formatted notification from FormConnect with the form response details. With FormConnect's Slack notifications feature, stay updated on form responses without leaving Slack. Try it today and simplify your form management. To learn more, visit us at your website URL or download FormConnect today from the Google Workspace Marketplace.